Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Semrush for local SEO, Ultimate Local SEO Toolkit. And right now, I'm offering you guys this free trial for 14-day pro trial. Right now, there is no actually a payment required. After the 14-day trial, you can just cancel the subscription so you don't have to pay for everything. Anyway guys, once you're here, you should just register and then I'll see you once inside. So inside the dashboard of Semrush, or basically the landing page, this is how it should look like. By the way guys, just a disclaimer, I'm currently using a free plan, so there are limited options here, but I'm gonna try my best and show you the new features in Semrush, because it's actually really good. First things first, this is powered by AI now. Everything is powered by AI. On the left side, we have SEO dashboard. We have Keyword Strategy Builder, Magic Tool, Overview for Keywords, SEO Content Template, Site Audit, Listing Management, and so much more. I can make a very detailed video about this one in the upcoming days or weeks. Anyway, for this video, we're gonna focus on listing management and map tracker. Basically, click on this option right here, and then you'd be directed on this new page of Semrush. Basically, you can just search your business name, website, or phone here. Let me just type in here the tavern, the one that's gonna be near me. Perfectly right there. For the zip code, it's gonna be 2000, and for phone number, this is gonna be exact. So you can just copy or hide advanced search right there. You can just type in the address here. Anyway, for that being said, I'm just gonna randomize my phone and number here and basically click on check. By the way guys, this is currently real-time data where you can check your online presence, your listings to fix your average star rating and total reviews. So I'm just gonna wait for this to finish loading up, and I'll see you once it's done here. So welcome back to the video. By the way, there are three major upgrade, or rather pros, in using Semrush Local. One of which is being automatically listed and manage top citations and directories. Second is centralize all reviews in one place, such as this one. You can really organize and make sure you check everything. And for the last one, the third one, is going to be identify where your local business ranks on Google Maps. We're going to use that one, the third option, or we're going to check on it in the latter part of the video. But for now, let's focus on the results. So right now, the Tavern Hotel and Resort has a very bad online presence. Listing to fix, out of 33, there are 29s that they need to be fixing. Average star rating, that is 4.2 out of 5. And these are the fix this to improve your expand coverage. Basically, you need to apply the phone number and everything here. So if you show all the directories there, these are the expanded suggestions. Now you can edit this and fix everything. By the way guys, you can copy the link and send it to your friends. If you click on this option, that's try it now, basically this is gonna be the paid subscription. The only difference with the free trial and the paid subscription in terms of the listing management option of Semrush is that you can edit, fix the listings, you can edit your online presence, check on all of the reviews in one go. Wherein in the free trial, you can only have the results. You cannot really fix it inside Semrush. Though you can fix it on any other platforms. Just like your Google account, your Google reviews, you can fix it there. The only cons and pros inside the Semrush paid subscription is that you can really edit in here. You don't have to use any third-party application. That's the only difference. But for now, we're going to focus on the free trial version, okay? So we're done on listing management and checking what is the online presence and the rating of your business. So for the next thing that I want to show you guys is monitor your Google Maps rankings with this section or feature. Basically, enter your business name or location. So for now, I'm gonna try a sample of the Tavern Kitchen and Bar. Click on it, and we're gonna have the exact rating. Right now, it is gonna be 4.7 and 847 reviews, and this is the exact location, right? For the keywords, it's gonna be bar and grill and added to campaign. If you click on expand right there, you can add more suggested keywords here. For map grid, you can check the map grid here on basically how far your range can be seen on any other customers using a Google Maps section. For schedules, you can show your schedule here. For example, you can change this to manually and scan after creation. Now you can create this campaign with ease. For example, if I click on campaign right there, I can now start gathering the data. So I'm gonna get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is gonna be the campaign that we run to check a sample business. So currently it's having an average rank of 2.84. So So sum of the business rankings of all maps data points divided by the number of maps. 21 is used for calculation if ranking is greater than 20. So out of 20, you are 2.4 in your area. So for the share of voice, basically it's going to be 13.39. And these are the similar business near you, or you can call them competitors. So the rank distribution, you are good among the one of 3. Basically, your business is good right now. There is no rank bad in your area. So if you click on competitors right there, you can check what is your ranking. You are now second among the top 10 in your area regarding your same business. For example, everything is about bar and kitchen, and you're ranking second. Awesome, right? By the way, guys, you can export this as a PDF with that option. Moreover, let's check the last features that I want to show you. It's basically managing Google reviews. Of course, to get started in the review management section wherein you can review your Google reviews, you need to enter your business name or exact location. Right now, the site is down due to high load, so I don't want to take you for another hour. Hence, I have a screenshot that I've prepared for you. So this is what it's inside the Google Management Review. Basically, what you need to do is, of course, enter your business name. Next up, you can reply to every Google reviews of a specific business you've entered. So you don't have to go scouring Google Maps on each one of them to organize and have fun. Basically, as you can see here, you can monitor the most popular reviews, protect your online reputation, and of course, initiate conversations with clients. And basically, that's it. That is what Semrush is all about. Making sure you can work all in one place with no third-party application. So again, please take it a grain of salt. So if you want to try it out, pay for the paid subscription. It is actually very good. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.